Are you looking for that perfect safe to keep your valuables nice and secure? Well, my friends, you came to the right video. All their products come packaged nice, safe, and secure. Now you're going to go ahead and place this down in. If you want to reset the password, you press, there's a button back here, you press and hold that in. Now we're going to go ahead and actually put this in first. So we want this slid in. Let's see. So go ahead and put this back in first before you set anything here. I think it would help if I put it on here, right? There we go. Push in. Okay, we're gonna hold the button on the back here. Press and hold it in. Okay. Now we can go ahead and put our password in. Of course, if you're confused about anything, it's all in the manual. But if you take a look at here, if you press it, you can press the button once. Now you can enter any password you want, and then press the pound symbol here, which is pound. So let me just give you an example. We're gonna press the button back here, the green button on the back side. We're gonna press it. Now let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, pound. It says into, and that's the password now. So now if we go ahead and we press the pound key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, hold on. Pound 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. It opens up because that's the password. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna reset that, and we're gonna set our own password. Okay, now how this is gonna work is simple. It's locked, you can't get in, can't get access. Let's say we go ahead and enter our password. Then unlocks it, but it's still locked. What are we gonna do? So, you always need to have one of these keys. This key you do not need unless the battery runs out and you don't have your backup or you forget your password. That is just simply the safety feature. This key, what I like to do is I just always leave this key in. Now, you cannot unlock this without, with just this key. So let's say you have just this key, you open it up, oh my goodness, I can't get in, you're locked out. You use this and a password, or this key and this key. So again, you use this key and your password, or this key and this key to open up the safe. Since we got a password, we're gonna go ahead and enter it in, and let me show you how this works. Here we go, it says open. We're gonna turn it. There we go. Now it's open. Now for this safe, you're gonna use the smaller keys. The small keys go inside this safe, and this opens up into a whole separate compartment. Now you have these compartments in here. Go ahead and remove the styrofoam. We don't need that in there. Very nice, very, very nice. I absolutely love this. And of course, there is a light inside here. Let me see if we can do this here. It might not show up. And of course, you can hang stuff on here. Do not put your backup battery inside here. This goes somewhere hidden in your home. Again, and this is if these batteries die and you can't access this and you don't have your other key. We're gonna go ahead and lock it up. We don't need that. So we can always keep this key like this, because this key alone does nothing unless you have this key in this side and turn it. Now you can set an alarm. Let me see. That triggers. You can also do privacy mode, but privacy mode is this and that. There we go. So now if I enter the password, you guys won't know. Okay, so that's privacy mode. You press the pound and the star. So pound then star. For the alarm, press the 0 button there, and the bell will be on. Now what this does if you enter the password wrong, so let's go ahead and enter the password. Okay, so it says A vibration. Okay, enter the correct. Okay, so that's just for if you hit it too hard, the alarm goes off, so if someone tries to break in. The only way it goes off is if you enter the right password. There we go. Enter the right password. Now let's demonstrate. Now you will need to lock it again, or push the bell on again. Now we're gonna set privacy mode. It's privacy mode. Okay. There we go. Just like that. So nice alarm. Turn it open. Overall, it's the perfect size. It's the perfect height. It's the perfect weight. You can bolt it to the back. So there's R2 there. If you want to bolt it to the floor, you can also do that. You can also add your own, use your drill bit and you can do that. But I think you guys are going to be very impressed with this safe. I love it. This brand is high quality.